Miema Ghana fo nyina kwa ba na afi kasebo no wuhia yen ewo yen Facebook no eso a eye DLFM 106.9 obomade anaja won so do message na atoase na ensemo ye de ebra wo no ye agiti anaje se ta na ekita videos and pictures of Ilogan ne nyina so ye de besomo ewo kasebo yi emu yen se kasebo na se na yenko asante mantemu a awrehosemo a abeka DLFM kasebo fonsa echiremu ese mami bia wanya emfinhia no aduonum enum 55 years na ababeto dwase ni kunu a wone nete ni kunu no omkyerese na adwenemu eka ne kakra na yenim de si ye ama mami ade akyen ana ne kunu atimi akunu a wakunu atodam a se bie wo munyina damu wo konongo wo asante atem central kropono emu wo asante mantemo na udru konongo a police commander a wo ho no mo ASP Juan Canton wono ande kopie mu ewo crime scene ho na wone nsɛmtwerɛfo di nkɔmɔ na wo mu kyerem sɛ wono mo hwehwɛ mu kakra wono mo ayɛ no abeto dwasa maame no a sabre ni kunu ekunu ato ne dem no ne din edi mercy drowa na wono mo ekohu sɛ maame ye twetwa no na woda emoja mu na kyerɛ sɛ nani ase na som ene ne hwim emoja efri mu ba ewo wo mankasa chembe ho a na wo mo edemu ewo konongo na wono mo ekyerem sɛ omuguso a eye ehwehwɛ mu na kakra wo mo saka ne kyerem sɛ utimi se papa no wone maame no wo mo struggle ankasa wo mo pray wodem ho no mo a ti se nanka maame no pese bia nka waje ne ho nanka wotimi ebo no nkwa ho ban na so be ma de be manti wo bra wo yire no ano maame na ntimi anyene ho na me no kasa yi wo ba ye Facebook no so a ene video no anada so no we no madi nka aka videos and pictures of Ilogan wo hwenhwe ana wi wani so anya de se betimi ayi wo ba ye Facebook no eso a video no eda so DLFM 106.9 na wono mo so a ani hunu bie ekire mu se wo mo ko adam ho na kire se adam ho no ye tu niema ne nyina gu abonten wutimu se wo mo preye ankasa ansa na papa no wotimi adi wo ba no so enkonimu a sabre aye arehosem na posifo ama ne bo no ekire mu se wono mo atabiri meme no emu no e de akopiem e wo Stewards hospital mortuary e wo yakoi a sabre no wo mo etwen autopsy na wo mo ekire mu se wo pani a wodi boni a etesa no ni di ade Samuel fiaga na wono so sabre ni penche akodi aposifo nsem wo konongo na wobra entretremo no ekoso ne amanebo no mama yentie kakra ene nsama hodo a empenfo ede to DLFM amanebofo animu
yankasa wawale na waye no ho an betimi akase be over 40 years enwonya mofla no wo enfin be 50 plus which is edunum ene nachi ana be ma no so anya from 50 plus enti o ma trache na de sense no munyina abrochire ana no mo a ma tra abrochire bobla enti bedu be ana mpe be ma nya problem kakra wo na dwen ho enti na ma no so na ma ode ebe afie oba no so bai se oba be hwe ni kunu no wo fie a o ma be tena kra ne fine according to yare kakra de but ono awon private car ono ani fina de we see wa ko ra pound car ono ani kukurum otu ko be bia o pese okobi ono ani fina de enyu bi le twi no e bi nim di ko bia na mo according to efie ho no ene na nsa de be ti na ase bi ti o mo ha dan wo fie obi wo tu mu nyina ye ene na nsa yen wo tu mu nyina efie no mu ansa na ene asem na kasa no ana asem so taine oba no ekon o taine no ko ano effect no bi ne wa bu yo enti ebedu be no mo ko comment ko no ne ko soro pa enti ma oba no ebusuan kwala ne wa bu tini yesen ko oba ni nchen wo kono wa ye Ghana ha no ko mra metna abechiro ana oba no do asem won so pe se mo wa fa do na enye sa na no enti to o yare ni tini ya na ho metra ye ebusuan po kra de ye to yare ni tini le se ho me ge no ene so de ge ni ya se yanki bia chima papa yanka sankasa etinye pani ya sam tutu sama yanye yekweta won shata de entite de omo drag in free danu ma bla police for le by for the to kini plano ye ko no makata ne so pa ne ni bia se ni de yigunye ICT ni de yigunye but na the body according to story and kana se no so client on shela en share bibisa na according to ye ba no e bi so twa ni ba me de mi tira ho me hu ti e twa no de but omo so e ko ho ntem na za om de be ko kata no but you can want to see yeah ko de no dai ya ama muta no etimti media ana funny war phone but media man from any who say channel but only can call ana kasa ana se mo wa be abro di ta boni ni yo no after that phone ala no wa free kasa mo say mekumo maami o mekumo bi abro ti o fla for the bar say na ti mo ko he ti o say no fla after busia for no pa so ko mo ko na we kuna oda mo jam
enti ebusuan ani ayati yeyi eya wono mo a wo mo ne mienu na wo mo hwene santemo ekohunu awudisa mu a akoso ewo konongo wasante atem central kropo no emu asante mantemo no ana wo mo de enchiremu asomye no na oba ye Facebook no eso a se bi mpane se wo nsasi mu a ye ni nyawo na emom se woni sam de ayedija wo bo mo de so behwe bie ewo ye Facebook no eso DLFM 106.9 na maame no ana ye de ntoma chekere ne ho a ye ma no so wode ato police pick up mo no na ho se de yesi ma wodasani so a awre ho papa a kire se enya asam ketua na wo ba ye Facebook so Ghana fo ni bi tufu pa se eba ye mental health na Ghana ye taking it serious pa Kwadwo
okon
de asie nie
ahun say ensem bi say no ade ba kon ha me ne say na omo ya walefo omo ya walefo na maame no wo hwa odo be ma ne pa na nka obi a wo amono ne na wukunu no munya na mo no be ma na ba fie na sisi a hwehwemo be da di say wanya adwunum hawo kakra enti na ehun hia say nka maame no obetumi abe papa ne bebiri sa because obi a wo adwunum hawo ne de say eba sisi a na bibia atumi si ahun say wo hwa ma ne bo eba ye ya na say no aso na ode afa ode akunu ato atwene no wa enti ye betufo ye besere wonu obi na na hwe na sesebe ye wadwunum hawo kakra na enya wadwen say odo asemti wo be forso atwentwen twan na wote ho sa bo moden na mpanifo mra mo ne ayare sebe na moden be kwa na mpanifo aboa ne dan say wo betena se na watena ne nchen sa ya on say wagire wo kete akun afiri wiase on ndi sabi obi adwunum ka na otumi nya bibia bio nti me enya adwen say me do nipa ne ti no o ha we ni say de ti wa yale obi wo ho no ma betumi atena nipa no ne nchen aboa no bet adwunum hawo ne de okon no odin nti we de emabusuafo ni nyina hyeden na Ghana fo ne yemfa ntwe hofo ma bi se me enya adwen se na me dofo da bi so obi adwunum kana enya dofo asem o sore na de baba bia na obeyo ka ne ho ade ope na obeyo nti ma anya wadwen se me do no da bi ende emoa
Kwadwo yento aso
yento akase ebo no so na yenkopie mo National Labour Commission fo aso omode nkrada tudwa akasa kiremu a Laboratory Professional Workers Union fo animanim nyara omutosoro mo se de tie bia na atua ono mate a wono mu kirem se nyade a wono ebe bomoden akwakoye adwuma na Ghana de hia wono mo fa o ma bomoden akopie mu ayaresa bia hodo se ne omo kwana ya twem mogya hwehwem na ne omo akopɛ hu random na omo nya ho apomuden no omo kirem se nyade omba kwa adwuma na ne National Labour Commission fo kirem se animanim nyada omutosoro mara se atua twero no omo bomoden fa kwa wiye na ne mantimi koye emfa ma Ghana yafo na nsɛm nyina de todwa ndra dan wo mla potibru nhia mudie kɔ so a na sɛ nya sɛm kitwa kwa ne mo mpanimfo ahodo a wanum every laboratory workers union for na so and afin so fair wages and salaries commission for so and afin so finance ministry no and afin say asoyehwe man Ghana ya pom den so nyina so ka bo mu na mo se da bi pempen so be ya do ne ho banya pass ye nyina ye betena se na ne yanum asumdua bo mu na se ye atumi atoye na ne adwuma ya fo mo ya medical laboratory workers union no o ma mo den akwa ya adwuma free se ma Ghana de se bebere na da ahomete pass obi be yare no bakwa pom den ara sabia so kokkopa rehwe obekwa na kese obi ani ho no ma kese osane yare o kiremu a edin pa de sento mamade so betimi akọ na me wokakoye adwuma na abo na Ghana de hye no atimi anya hoden na Ghana fo beka ya medical laboratory workers union no omuti atua wodwumbu so me de toso enso no na mo kiremu sei aban ne ma bia muni na dini kita ho bia akọso no mebere na ha wonom na so maka ka anya de aba no ede sa omapade ne yema omuni sente no anya de mbeto akọso aya adwuma na esi aye futiri mra omobo made tu atua no o Ghana de hye wonom fa womo ne de wadom bra pa do na kogwa aresabia hodo senkaja omo hwe asempri ebeba na nkaja wabetwe mmogya akohwehwem na nyare wa hodo akutia wonom no na nkade omo ho adro na matumanya pomode ma pananso ezi ameka sei enya de ekọ ne senti ade hye bebia na ebre pa na okopiem aresabia hodo na enya de a wonom eto wonom kra na enam sawe insensem we ho nti no labor consultant Osin Gami wakasa kiremu senkita ho omo hyase ada ana no wukwada na omo di nkita ho bapem 100 day no omo hwe ne mu nyina se de tie biara no medical laboratory workers union no se de tie bia mbatimi abomoden na atua na omate no made akwawe na afem amoboden de Ghana man na atomakoma so abo adehye a wonom emfa omo free say wo hwe tiati we na wonom ate na ha adwinye pass obi be yare na wo hwe so betimi abomoden akwa hwe ne mogya mu na ne mpelifama no ho aduro nanso enna matuatie enti na nipa na owu o chebe ba ha dwen yi pa ne send watoto de asre send medical laboratory eye professional workers in na nimanim yada send de tibe mo maden kwakwa ya adwuma na mo na Ghana de hia wonu mo mfa wo mo no o mbetime nya pomuden emu enkyere mu nie.
We cannot deny the fact that the commission listened to the issues we raised and can say that they have directed the employer to go and fully implement this particular directive, if you like, an addendum to all the arbitral award states already. And therefore, CITAC will have to go and meet with their constituents between today and tomorrow to enable them finalize this decision to return to work. That is the way to go because we are back with the commission on the 27th. They are expected, the employer is expected to begin fully implementing the award on or before the 6th of this month, also when they are in the court as well. So we strongly believe that we must be seen respecting the orders of the commission as well, and we will urge that we will go and meet our constituents and talk to them and have this matter put behind us.
Eni awuti ye a labor consultant needing at the Austin Gummy. And wachi and a church of opening. I on what jamu at the medical laboratory professional workers union no. Neday at the safe fast a akoto or kasaya remuse. Oh, and some of Macano, a yapa, Nanson said the akono, and yadi on Befe free say. And somehow would have one mamma to abandon so Yama or Monayadi and Pennyfueti. Now won't to meet ye, you friend and my high and one farmer idea. I didn't know more passe. Yanya Cocoya, you don't much rema. Oh, if you are telling your Macos Wati. I'm just like Ghana for you, and so I'm on fancha one more free say. Omuni mo how any man who na Ghana for whom every team na mo sha say etia we nanso no omo fancha wa mo every say abani yo makoma sa pede de ma wo mo dia wo mo nso e be kwa akoya adwuma.
In fact, it's been a very tough meeting for us at the Labour Commission. We are not very happy because our expectations are not met. But all the same, we are all Ghanaians. We will take the advice of the Commission and we want to get back to our National Executive Council to communicate to them the decision of the Commission. Based on the decision of the National Executive Council, we will have engagement with our membership. But for now, we cannot say the strike is suspended. It is still ongoing until the determination of the National Executive Council. We appeal to our clients to bear with us in this difficult time. We ourselves are affected by the strike. We are not happy with what is going on, but we are compelled, looking at the difficulties on the ground, and we pray that the outcome of next meeting will favor all of us. The directive of the NLC will be released. They are putting it together, but we believe that if the duty bearers will act upon it, we'll all be happy at the end of the day.
Any awoti ye a church of opening at the medical laboratory professional workers union. Ne dey at the safe fast akoto.
Yantu akasiaba no so na yemoso nko yanim e won samfufuro mu a na wo ba yen Facebook no so agana fo akire wo madwen papa e wo hanomo na wonu mu ahyase e ya manyosem no die krom ha boy emu ba ko ani DJ opai de mo asemu a wo kan ye mo so enso amanyosem ye nkan kokan wo party headquarters yada se ana original quotation ana wasi greetings en confirma kasiebofo ene etiefo ni nyina na wasi you people are doing a great job yada se pa senior say won so anya brother age na so hweyen na nana adoma ana wasi we should take mental health serious in this country. This is so sad. Ana wono so wodi abayi konongo ewudisem no so kan hwasem na wono mo eya manyosem ehu hia no emu ba ko enso ne piaga wono de emsa manyosem no wodi guarantee yentimi nkan on kan wo party headquarters yada se ana Kwadwo
okon
emsa piaga no ho wontie de ye kan dabi
na je so ono wankasa ne de na o kan na
so onso ontimi so nkyere ne ya nye
o dabi and say nya ne sa
enti se wo be ya manyosem no a mo wo platform mo ye manyosem asem wo ye kan enya manyosem enso wutimi se wo mo da sori a amanyosem no party ne ye wo mo da sene wo mo ankwa but wutimi fa bedwafo nso ani mo nyankwa nti ye nkan ye da se kokan wo party headquarters na sewa reta osu and was oh God this is so sad pa na wase had I know is always at last wase sanka mami huye kra mpo anka wo mfia buruchire ho ama ana vida ye akatara and was this is so sad ana Dolly Kwenu was say a country called Ghana ana me penny Francis Nate was a Casiboni dem Duwenya Tema Community 25 was one Mama Selena and Busian will muti any life pa and was say Akwaba 2 bede by day boys mo yadase Kwadwo Sammy called by day pen.
Hey, Yoko, ya breda o. Sure.
Ebo on ma wado abre na frɛ na efuoru akra de apesi ebre wo 12 o'clock yi on pese obepon.
Ebi kura ho no makwade ba kwa ahomete ne se wadi ka akɔgye ntoase ne wadi sika no.
Na adona eden.
Awurade Nyankopɔn a. Ebi na wani kan kɔhwɛ afuo na wo charge ye. Enti we na fufu bi da ho no masa. Otum say yes nkonta to be true.
Enti Francis say akwa about 2 by day workers.
Yagene so.
Yagene so pa. On country mama sele so mo mpesi mfi do we nyamena yan. Ana Kofi Parliament was say kasebo no loud and clear. Ewa aguna bobi kuma and was say never sell your stomach to any politician. Mu efutu sa akra de ye. Ana Hansin Diodu was say good afternoon brothers. Thank you very much pa ne mokase ebo de amode so yan. Was say oh this is so sad and sad news. May her soul rest in perfect peace. Watching you live from Atomic Hotel Dansuman and also wadiaba. Na Thomas entry and was good afternoon Okogyeabour and then wafa se Kwadwo Sammy was a fantastic news by all standard and was me hwemo live edifi Kumasi na happy birthday and confirm honorable Joyce Munko. She works at Bima Insurance Company na banse no de honorable Kwadwo obi a we adwuma insurance company honorable ni free fa
se bia na oyo honorable na ode ho ne ba wie na wasan akwasha nti di nsesa
da bi onya honorable ba bia onya honorable ba bia ya momiente title bi ase onyo nabo na captain with no armband ana was in fact kasebo no ejetua to pa se ganja mine a kire se waso na idinam ya da se miento kasebo no eso ye mo fenwura mu e wo passport office na empenfo de amanebo apie montren so amakasebo for yenso setimi akabi na director awo no ana wo passport office headquarters ye Paul Kwadwo wade to dwachirem say Ghana for this year etimia bedi live so say wo mo passport amene empenfo print passport no e de ma wonom no maako 86000 ana sabre egu wonom office honom a emfuturo ache no a Ghana for emaye emegeye wochirem a wo say passport office no wo modwumadie ene wo masade obroni kan say responsibility ene say wo bedi live so na wo mo ebeye o passport amawo na oba ye Facebook no so a ene oba se ne passport no yes ya print ni booklet no na egu dem ho no na mepacho empenfo meje ya na kire se hadwe ye papa na no ana wo kire mu ese booklet no maako 86000 ana sabre Ghana for maye meje asesi ano aye wo mo eso asemu a egu edem ho na wo pani anedin ede po Kwadwo wakasa no wo kire mu se de nam so a amasa wo ha we nyina ba na se Ghana ni bi ho no mu a o passport no enye ono ana eba na wasoma obi middleman enti se nipa ne ba kire se information papa no wontimi mfa ma firi se nipa no a wosoma no no wontimi ama no all the details enti ne be wi akire no wo mo print passport ni wi a se wo betimi kura mpo attrack nipa no ama nipa kura ba beje na ade kura na ya asem wo kire mu a na sa 86000 booklet ya ze sei ya print ya egudem a achi mfutro no wo no mabomoden asende text messages ede ama wonom owners sanka omra meje na so twia kai obi ene ho ma wasi wose wo ba beje eno ana wapani po etre se no ayo how kese pa no nti yemfa kasebo so ne nka nkyere Ghana fo nyina se mo a mo passport ya print ya wie na ka wo mo ho no wo mo mfa nya hwe na mo mra meje.
The responsibility of the passport office ends at when the passport is printed. And now that we have decentralized the passport office and we have regional passport office, we will transport it from the headquarters to the regional passport office. So the regional passport office, as we call them, PACs, passport application centers, where you go and take your biodata. That is where you go and collect your passport. So it is incumbent on the applicant, in the case of Ghana, to go and collect the passport after it's been printed. So we don't know why people would rush, go through all the process, capture your biodata, you fill the form, go to the passport office, and then it is ready, come back and pick it. Everything either a text message or an email telling you the stage where your application has reached, to the point that if it gets to what we call superior intervention or suspended, you will be alerted to come to the headquarters, not the regional office, to come because your application is suspended, provide better and further particulars or give some explanation. We interrogate you. If the security agencies are satisfied with your explanation and the additional document, then we pass it. So these days, each step of the way, the applicant is alerted. But most of our compatriots use middlemen to apply for passport. The telephone numbers they even use there are conjured. They are not correct telephone numbers, or they've been used and dumped long ago. So when you call those numbers, it doesn't go through. Some give you addresses that are non-existent because they are created by middlemen. So even if you want to even give it to courier service to distribute, get the rightful owners to, as soon as we see that you have an old biometric passport, but that you didn't indicate that it was renewal, and this is the system, your application will fail. It's zero. Don't think that expired passport is no more of value.
Anyway, no, open anything. The Okogyeabour no, Juma, passport office, said director, headquarters, crime. Now, we buy in Facebook, no, so we're penning no, that's why we're casting. So we're Ghana need this year be a winning no. So you are young, so you are down for. So we're quite a passport, so I'm quite a bonaman. Yes, sir, 86,000 booklets. And a gooey.
Oko
Passport we me media.
Almost a Sardina was no maybe.
Godey. Me media. Sika mutia
And yes, I'm come
and no crown me try quite 10 times.
and someone say
10 times. Also, I feel I almost what this one.
A bomb so.
Yeah, but you are more better than what yes, sir.
One for critique and crowd and send bra. Is there a bomb musu no.
Me say, Kwadwo, she baby am tie passport office. Where traffic I'll be democrat before I be do national theater. Now we since United in Fifty.
Oh, say, or come me did say no can who be. I didn't say, we try who can check.
Aye.
Inside the sun come mamma, no, and what the hawk come and no be a car, Quadino. Oba from Mia Bebre, Quaha, Faha, we are obeying what you see, Cassa. And I want Jagu was I know.
And I bomuso.
Yo. Almost decided among family.
When sir,
they could tell what you when you be out.
Because I dear no home. A civil responsibility and a civil right. Say Ghana never be a passport.
And they go.
I dear no more, you see, I buy it to Yamoka. Someone printed passport in my yen. But ye bedi lies wa mubi yen cancer munina. Muti esikan sana my idea we are my. Nano crana majisicano cramayano. Any pan betran who quines are not ye, you will be a deal with you.
Bra. Madame for Bakubidia me Kwadwo no come say bra me bra ye no. Liar me kodi so. Ewie na crack bi ko tu ni card me ko gina baabi kura nchen baabi o. No ko yi free ni kam no de ma me.
Chese
na manfo dia na ekita na wa pack dia gu ni kam.
Ehuhuro.
Asa.
Me pese me bodin. Empenifo 3 bi e wo headquarters wo.
Ayo.
Head office wo. Me pese me bodin.
E dia ma mwansa.
Ehuhura wo mbehye wo ankasa wo passport. A wo kwakwaji no. Ehuhura e behye wo. Eni nsemu.
Amaje si Ghana for na ba mabu omo ho.
Say 86,000 booklet. Mo de beden.
Bibiri si.
This amode yantuma. To aso me Enquire Kwadwo.
Okonya to akasebo no so ane ye free kan bupure matemu. Ne ye de yani e de kiremu obunu east region ni ma hwanom. Yenko pem wo techi man na ne na danko akufuado. Oso ma Ghana na ye de ahya ne nsa ne de atentre ne ye ho hia ne ye pa ne sentire si amekasa yi. Wakwa kosi high court e wo techi man se ne ade hye monje. Sebe betimi abobo na muntwa kwa tenten kwa akira na so obi sabe obi disem hunu. Na ho be hia ze de be kwa court na court atana na asem so ne akwaye boachi bi di nte no ene munso na monje. Enti makwa power echese ene high court no hontoma o. Ayefefefe power honom. Na nadagwa akufuado ne butai ne nyina so betimi abo na tetre ne. Atimi akwaso o man Ghana mo ni senti na bo moden. Na techi manfo so asomo ene musaka high court ze ne munso na monje. Na etimi yambo na tetre ne entimi nkwaso mfama mo mpotem honom. Na mara dwuma de ne kwaso ne de ne o man Ghana mu yani yankasa eye chief justice eye her ladyship eye justice Gertrude Tokuno Alaba wantimi yanko binti obomade twira krata tententi na odekwama eye lordship Isif Omalu Tanko Amadu se ne papa jikrata eye na kanka na fato ade hye ne nyina ne mu se oh yani age pa se dwumade kese we no atimi akwaso techima na ba Facebook no so a DLFM 106.9 video ne da so ba ubenya bi ne wahwe na high court na efe pa na lordship Amadu o kasa na o kirem so na danko akufuado anamona watu ne hu hia panta de hyere mo maden se high court yi omu nso mu yere mu fa ndi dwuma sa de se mamu nya mo adwene se de abra wo no no se bibi kwato chema wo court ho no mba hwe ama na sai dabi o chema maden na mo ma emranya dwuma mpotem no afin so o mani antumi nkwa hu ye pa na o kire mu se ebetimi nya boa pa matentene atumi akoso ye mo man Ghana so ene ama foforo na atumi sisi amanfo ne obi ye obi bone mpa na de ka ya dene de akwa ahimfie na nanoma bi ne mo so ayakata so mu aso ne nyina to betumi atwa mpotem ma se atentene atumi akoye pa okasa ye do emu ekire mu nie.
The people of Techiman must indeed be very proud that they have a high court facility worthy of its name and which reflects the authority and dignity of not only the judiciary but the state. The facility provides a comfortable, productive working environment for both court staff and users. Together, we have laid the foundation for this temple of justice where the rights and liberties of all will be protected and upheld.
Eni awoti ye his lordship Amadu Tanko Omaru nene ena wote yenom eno achi ena municipal chief executive edema eye Bono East no ne den ede Mr. eye Benjamin Yaw Jakon okasaye ono kasaye di gina mu ema eye Bono eye regional minister ena wo kyerem say ehu hia pa na na danko akufu ado ne modin ba wobo na tete ne hu hia ne pa na de anu ti ka hu bi pa na bo modin ebesi high court edema techimanfo ndi sente no se court ode abra mo modin se o mani betimi akọ hu ye pa na modin mra ede ya adwuma afin so o kyerem a ha dwinye pa se ni pa do na high court ni ho ne monti o metwa kwan yakọ chichiri ansa na ma modin yakodi o masem o kyerem a high court abai e manfo mo modin se o mbedi mra so free say wonim ne wani mra so na se mra ni so o mu a court no betimi ahye me do kokoto efiase.
Nana Chairman, let me crave your indulgence to state that the establishment of this court is a testament to the MPP government's unwavering commitment to the rule of law and its determination to ensure that justice is accessible to all as required in Section 12, Subsection 3B of the Local Governance Act 2016 Act 936. Pursuant to this, Nana, we in turn expect the court to collaborate with the Municipal Security Council to help maintain peace and security in the municipality by ensuring that those who unjustifiably indulge in the crime and constantly foment trouble to make the municipality ungovernable should suffer for their actions.
Any awoti ye a municipal chief executive at the Matechiman, needing at the Mr. Benjamin Yaw Jakon. Enu achi ena na matren konbia mo techimanfo o kirema o wonu mani age pa efrise anamo na danko agufu atu na so mani pa na ni nyina ne se anka akane no o ombetu kwan atwa kwan akwa chiri anso matumi akwa akodi asem na numpo no wahwe abekọ beba no na kyese asem na bakodu ompo ne yedi asem na wie ne atu ahya do kirema ha adwen ye pa afin so omakwa mpotem onyina asese ntina ansa na kombetu kwan akwa kyese kwan chiri akwa akwatena asem so no na nka obekọ no na se kwato apon o kirema ha adwen ye pan senti emra mo saka ha court betimi aboa ama tentrene etimi akoso techiman ene mpotemu.
Justice has come closer to Nananu because it is very expensive if you want justice to be done to go to the High Court at Sunyani, but the road is bad and every day you go, sometimes before you get there the case has been adjourned and you have to come back, so it makes justice very, very expensive for us now. The courts coming closer to us is a blessing. We cannot dispense of justice. That will bring peace to our community. Presently, there is no need to take the laws into your own hands. The court is nearer. Any matter that you feel aggrieved, you have to bring it to the court for the judges to dispense of.
Any awoti ye ena nanoma trenkondwa wonom ewo techiman.
Yento awia prem to breka sebono eso na mame enko Facebook no so biem na menken kan Ghana for message no na nana osu ana oseka sebono dem live ewo Texas ewo US Montreal so na wasi good news guys kasebono mo de sanu manam na bibia hye ewo US nso yedam ase monko so a na monya dwumaden aha de hwe na mama ha ahanye Kwadwo ana haye.
Oh, okonsa haye omunchi.
Hey, ahaye. Hey,
ahanye.
Hey, Kwadwo.
Oh, ahade ahanye.
Hey, hwɛ ade a wo ye ho wo pasa o kyerɛ me sɛ wobetimi de abe bia yɛ nkwan wa bra nam bia nka ho so wobɛsa srade saa na pasa o kyerɛ
oh da bi obesi de na wasasade no
saa na pasa wo ye
oh da sɛ wotumi mfa ayi Ghana hand to US ho na wo ya sade na sɛ wo nipa bonfo kra ada na ba ya sa
edi entra wo pasa wo ya advert e ma Ghana sɛ Ghana ye
oh sɛ wo hwɛ ne fa ba bia
e fa ba ya
fa bebre ho no mo
et sɛ
sɛ yɛmfa ne sɛ ɔman Ghana no wɔn sɛ aha wɔyɛ de aha yɛ ofi aha na ofi wokɔ
na sɛ wabusu afie bubu a
nyabotre wokɔ US a wokɔ US a abibia onya bi mfi wɔ ho
na kroma wa da be na anya abibia we ye wo ba ifu ana
sɛ wo na wo mpentra wokɔ pona no ho abenya bia
abibia
wokɔ akura
kroma
ɔmo de dai galam sɛ fo na ayi ɔmo nyina fi nsu
excavator ya munsuo de nyina abibia kwatena sabibia nti abibia nti na wo se Ghana ha ye de a ene wo mo ntra US ho a
Ghana ne ma bibiri ho no mo eye ba ye sika sem na ede
nti dia na ye wo Ghana ha wo boy a wo se abibia
o Ghana na ye wo mu no ko woni mo se edu ba bia ho ba mo nsem no eye wa ho ba mo nsem no eye
na da America ha no ye to mbotom
hwe okopa
oh masa ma no nyeme ho
awo na ede wo mo ho no so ye de ye
awo ben
mo bro
awo ben
okoka na mo nka mo bro mu huna mane pa
na groma awo ma ha
e madam fo ba ko on okoyitiri na wonim oso okodu fufo na onim sensa na ho no ma brabo no sana endi se ye kuruma
kwajo
na tete ye within 3 days
kwajo tie
aha bra mi tie
awo bede wo na benya sika eye sensa hukuro bede wo na wo behra mo Ghana ha masa
ye kan ye mo ye kakra wa han bi na ye
krache wo mo na wo mampacho wo mo no o mo na ti kuruma ha tua
o kai say
me kai say wonya America akọ enti so obi wo hono mo a me pacho montra hono mo ana mo bra no ate aha de mba retruck
oh say nyina tie ya kwanya ba ye beko
enti wonim sa na wo da be bia wako
o da say ya kwa ya kopesika na abafia be o ya me menya kwanya na kwa kopesika na abafia be di
bibi jeje enti na nyankopon ko so enhyira mo wo ho na onka mo ho montena hono mo a aha de yenkita adwen papa ana Paulina amevo woso ma yenyina ha yada ase ana wase please ene eye ne little sister ni ekuma Emily afia kobi birthday wo ye dwuma ewo eye Serene Hotel ewo ho wose abusuane do ne papa enu ntin happy birthday enko enfema won Emily afia kobi of Serene Hotel ewo ho we efri wo sister Penny eye Paulina amevo eho ana real coffee burger wayama nyosem yentimi kan yada ase ana Paulina biem wose don't the passport office have contact of the owners no kan no wose won mo contact won mo kura mpo a obi e mameje ana nana owusu tie sema nana owusu dia ba wose wo hwe ne life e wo US Texas and wose I just got my PhD American passport papa no
yeah
what ye die
sa me kai crash bi asema wo kan o se Ghana ha okokotena classroom na e kire wade a na wono makofa ka talk abeto no maka kire se o ka creative from the lent ne the aka na ebe yesen ne aye ho adwuma saa coefficient of y e ti krum ha na ye na obi si dan a suku na nipa na akọ na so technical student ni nyina no ontumi nya hwe nse so fast wo pa ne sen
enti wonim saa ana wo kanfo Ghana me pacha tie ma men kan message ni bi was say I just got my PhD American passport this month papa no sure you see masa o ka sa grow no mu di ana
oh yeah say it's about time I say mpeni for no better na share na me nim say this here no Ghana education service o ma sha say ye bi system education no omo de chechere mofra na adwuma kora de wakoma so no wokonya na wusua
wa hen
ya de pa
o ma sha say ye bi tie minim stem no kwaso mpache wo kire me say na esi ye ka wo book mu na me wie na wo ka kire me say me nya protocol me ntue sekanti Ghana automobile companies ni yesen
enu yasem no
enti you see na yente na yese obi akosua makeup mbwa obi akosua makeup upon ho na ya man 500 so mfa nko start adwuma mpa cha ade na edidi twa mawure no ba ko boy 70 cities into 500 Ghana cities no e beto dodo sen
oko ya wo kan eye waka bi pa na ni nyina ne se ohun se etena esi wani so papa no na ye boa na ye afiri ho de ama wo what ate enti untumi nya se nipa no obeyi ni nyina afiri ho sa
krache
ye yiri kakra ntini waboa bi ni ma o ma ka na busua no mo de ya nipa no mo nso so
krache se wukita American passport wa achievement
oh se nya de bone ena me make say ohun krom ha na mu sei no o ma sha se ye bidie nanso na kwansidie ne do so ma yen enti de benya ne se sa kwansidie no mu wan firi ho na mebu no hu ntɔ wo no
ho na be wai
o sei
ho na be wai
na abane yatoma ho anom
my mom nsɛ ma mo America no hena monsia kroma de hena monsia na mo ba mo bebre ye bom pa se hena mo amere nso nti hena monsia ye sere mu pi mo entina na usu nyame nshira mo pa America de ye mo mokwan no nto ma yen na ye ba ye di su ye ba ye nsia kra bi
Ghana nso de asomdwe wa ha
na America on ye to bombo ana
ye do no Osama go kumni pa be petugo ye
na Paulina amevo an say I love your news pa ayiko ana aje Francis ana AJ okay say chairman yeah I'm here apala ye kan for America for no wajja ubedwa say
na yete ekrom ha asomdwe wa asese
intimi en kan for America for
America ye de nanso yeso ye de ye
krache
twini ya go hu sa na ye wo to ebe boa wo ena odo
aba boa
asa
elu
ahwea oso obada ne kusi ebe kan dua
ahwea mama nto akase ebo no so fa ahwea no to ho yenko edom kuma wono mo Ghana ye mra hye bedafie na me no akase yi minority leader honorable Dr. Kesela Atoforsen abodonko yi obekwa kopiem ewo court na aseni a ekoso wone attorney general efa ya ambulance zensam no ho no aseni no akoso atoaso na eno anadom kuma wono mo Ghana mra hye bedafie da to dwa kirem se wono leader ana asese ye de kwa kogina court no eno nti enne edom kese ne pe ana betina parliament wo firi se kokure ne hono mo a obenya brekura atena parliament ayeye eni Mr. Speaker ne nyina ene se wo mo kwa akotai wono leader no achi ewo court dem na ensam we eto dwa no ena eye minority chief whip eye honorable Kwame Agboja Govins wo de to dwa na wo chirim se ene no se mo ba parliament na se obi eni hono mo a enye bo apayo edom kuma ni nyina no ekwa akotai wono leader no achi ewo court dem nti parliament ho de ene speaker of parliament wone majority no womonfa
and I believe that my term is not different from that of the speaker, and it's now 3:57. It's far more than 10 minutes. Mr. Speaker, the standing order 64 says that the person presiding shall direct the clerk at table to cause a bell to be rung. Continue the business of the house for a period of 10 minutes. Mr. Speaker, C. Direct the clerk at table to conduct a head count of members present, and if there is still no quorum, suspend sitting of the House for a period of not more than 1 hour. Mr. Speaker, can you direct the clerk at table to conduct a head count? They were recognized. No, we must correct that. Honorable Chief Whip. You were recognized. When you walk in, you are recognized. When you walk in and you got up to speak, you are recognized. Let that go on the records. What is that?
I don't know the term you are using. My term is not up yet. I'm monitoring my time. So when my time is up, I will obviously ask the clerk at table to conduct it. So you hold on.
Enti wenu ye de kwaso e wo Ghana ye mra hye bedafie wo bra edom kuma no e kire se wonom leader honorable Dr. Kesela Atoforsen ene wo kwa kopie mu court nti wo mo ntena parliament wone entena ho kina de kwaso wo parliament no ana wote ye no
ye to akase bo no so ane ye momfa nwura mu e won di se manyoko na katena hwanom ena fragatunia abedi akire de ma eye National Democratic Congress ndi se manyoko no eye professor Nana Jane opoku agiman wakasa e kire mu a Ghana for money na ho ye party sa obo a wona bo a wo we nani o chese enifre ni pa ni se de Ghana for yinani na wo free say wo hwa na mo ahodo MPP amanyoko na etu o ma Ghana mu a wona mo dada Ghana ma na ehu pa wo kire mu se ne MPP for slogan and that one enter a boss when they say it is possible no much say possible no hefa. Then I say it is possible. Dear pan I just be bet me away free say. Or my Ghana said the matter to my Ghana we in some wakuni adi. A regime ni baby be ma mbeka in some way at the Kodokwa de Ghana for sum. No matter that Ghana for to abadia mamu biu. Or the same one you to that emna about mading. Non-sense for ma kwadan sense for you no mudink town or chem say. And who been your pass or mudin to tend to me boy what me free say. And this a man you kona nini je a man who ye party through. So my Ghana a man who's bet me a con kind or may mum. Or Chilema just a bedu babino, and who been your pass a Ghana a man who's bet me a bomb madina muya you may do say or bar or kona was or to me jim what nephew. Nana hope you the pan or dim attenting with fear and over but I was a shake coming and kununa. Ah, and near to me I just say yes. May I come a pan and a jumanti. Oba ya adwuma ba woni se onam adwuma mu sa no pa no nsia kwotena adwuma mu a agesa na adwuma nsia o kire ma ha adwen ye panti omu guso ma ya hyehye betimi aboa dwuma de na se na o sa kire mu se wo hwe mbibi amanyoko na nada na doso dodo aba Ghana mo bo anto na mo kansam dokodoko du Ghana fo asum ena man ya boa Ghana fo ena ya ba se de be hyehye Ghana no a be ya ditwam na o kire mu se MPP amanyoko mu ne de papa ya on betimi de ama Ghana senti no Ghana for 2024 abato no moto fantia wonum afin so before man yokore keke kase and this man yokoro muni ade betim dia Ghana for no chim say sansa nsam so nyina no kreba kumpo enya de ego mu eni se man yokore ya mayoko betim dia Ghana etimi akwa mi sent no moto aba moto enfama ndisi amanyoko no
manifestos in the past. So when we said it's a people's manifesto, we meant it. You know, as I keep saying, you can just shut a couple of us in a room for a couple of weeks. We can draft one for you nicely. But for whom are you doing this money? Does it include journalists? Yes, it includes journalists of many areas of focus. But how about the women? So what is worrying them that we should know? And if you don't go and talk to them as a group, how will you know? So it's not that you lack ideas. No, those are childish reactions. We are a serious party, and that is why we are engaging all of you. So it tells us that we need more time. And she's been working all year, no leave, no rest, and carrying this load in her. Somebody's growing in her. Maybe she needs even more time. So please, it is something that we are very worried about. We are very interested in. And you know, now that we are also thinking of a 24-hour economy, for me, the benefit is the flexibility that it should offer young women.
Any awoti ye Franka Tunia Bedi Achide Edima ND Semenyo Kono Professor Nana Jane Opoku Ajeman.
Yentu akasiabo no so na yenko asante mantemoa. National Association of Local Authorities of Ghana Yetanitia Esed Nalag. Wono ma kwa kodi dwuma bi e de aboa eye metropolitan municipal ene district coordinating director sa. Wono ma ewo asante mantemo. Na dwumadie no ana twetwefo pani e de Emma Nalag eye ono abu kokoro amankwa. Wogina simpie eni apaso no ana twetwefo pani. Na wokasa na wotirem se wohwe ewiase amansa ko bata United Nations a wonom ewo benchmark enhyehyeye se dibra wodo bia no ayedie ewo wiase no esese yema ema wo hamo enchichemu aduasa 30% eye position na wo so etimi edidwuma nanso atenase a ehunu se Ghana hanom no woko institutions ni nyina mu a eye mema nko a ema ewo mu etuetuemu ba ko mienu mi asate sese bio akurase DJ a o test microphone but test mic 1 2 sa enti dwumadie no wade ato eye metropolitan municipal ene district assemblies ni nyina enim se wo mo hwe na wo mo dwumadie a wo no edie no wo mo empe eye position anaso opportunities bi ema no so na ema no so enti eni dibre sane ebe ya gender equality no so ebetima konka ne ewo dwumadie ahodo nyina emu wo bra wakasa no emu nsem enie
ema situations and no more we marginalized. We don't send you home more parliament. We don't send you home more assemblies. But assembly be crying. Na assembly when you na yetu abakwa ya nto aba mabo ba ba kukura. Enti eyade eye oha okesi ba. So government appointees were there me and 7 na ya appointees. Na your assembly there be 55. Enti ebasa ye take decision e ma issues no ntimi ma up. If it's a numbers no anyhow. Na yentimi so en can say ye ade and I taking decisions a boa na ebra ebi e man afri. If you say a man and kasa wo mo challenges a omo ankasa ne bitimi aka omo asem enu nti ena ne ye ne coordinating directors aba ye training sections.
Enia yeti ye a church for penny at the Emma National Association of Local Authorities of Ghana, NALAG. Nedi edi wapeni kukuru amankwa. Na enuachi ana national coordinator for partnership for municipal innovation. Emma eye local leadership of NALAG no. Enso eye Jerry eye Sheriff ama. Wanonso di tu Ghana wetirem se Emma nonso. Edru maybe aya momo mohoso. Mumpushi mo kakra fe se obi wo hono mo a. Wo so your banty position we dey want me ni. Eba na sa no anase ma no ankasa wo mo ka wo mo ho ahye. Eno nti ebra so se ma no so ede wo mo ho agi mo natumidie bi etesa any positions no yetimi ede ema wonom.
To our mothers and our sisters out there, the opportunities are available. Never keep quiet, keep pushing for the gender advocacy and gender mainstream policies to be implemented. For instance, we are talking about affirmative action bill. This is something that when the government passes, we believe that we will open up the space for women to really contribute and come to the nation and help in the development of the country. So our women should not be intimidated. Our women should not feel lost. Our women should not feel dejected. But they should keep pushing and keep moving on. I mean, they are creating way and opportunity for the upcoming ones who have role models.
Anyway, no so aye opani and din ede aye Jerry Sheriff ama. Wono so aye adwuma ese leader ewo NALAG ano de sanse mu etodwa na ensem we nyina no DLFM yensem troni aye friend Prince Oheneba Edusi ana etintim ye defri asantemantemo ebra yen nyina we so na ye homra na apakan GH atenase na agopnama so nsem won fento ayen so
DL News.
Abusia yama wa ha ema wa kwa bamfambra DL 106.9 FM kasafidie so ene fiada area from Tobreka sebo so mreredu se yesi nkunyana wa gudie mo nso no ne ekọ ene ne eba ne yenjebre na yamfa embesomo Ghana nsemwa ena microphone close the latest no ena yaboabo ani nyina no abusia ye de eba besomo ndawi edi ameje so no eya Yesu ano de share Apakan GH the Blessed King intentum so mention semana say emfam fifie emfamare mention say emfafi honorable Aban Bagwin or a speaker of parliament na wakasa area for Black Stars of Ghana or sinansia 2 games or share against Mali and Central African Republic no or who say team no improvement abemo and Otuado ne second coming no into New York Ghana for new bibiane say in the young one share team in crying yen support the team no from the technical team to the playing body no yen one support to na yen show mun crying na owojidie say Black Stars of Ghana ebe sanso asore ejina na nso biem honorable Aban Bagwin nensemo de atudwa ede afa Black Stars of Ghana wa ye di amount na Gideon Mensah a defender edema Black Stars of Ghana ono so akasa ede afo tuado o chiroma osi otuado one of the best coach oni omo ana one no aye adwuma Black Stars no oni coach Saudi Opi na aye adwuma na otuado one of the best osi ne enti o kanesa say eba ne tactics any sana team no ebebo ne ball na otuado ehhye ne nyama ye enti obeka so otuado one of the best coach oni no aye adwuma Black Stars ho ensem no Matthew Anim Kujo former player edema Kumasi Asante Kotoko wasi akandi ama Legon City Spain nansi ya okopiem Scotland na osinaka edema Bobokwa ye friend Dundee United na ne contract na ba wie no team ne mpenfo ne twetwe nkomo sen ko extend ne contract no na ontra na mum no o mentumi anrechi agreement me no kase we fit team no mako eno na abrante friend Matthew enum kujo akasa osi ne no opeso okoba bia obenya more playing time esan so no osua enti opeso okotima obenya biabo na team no so be mana feel very important enu ntina they were decided say obefi Dundee United bobo konum akono akope baby foforo esina kan ede wonsam edi amao nyame adoma kwasiada Legon University of Ghana Sports Stadium 6 p.m. ena afino FA Cup final no ebaso between Boffa Kwatano omone Insuateman FC na Mr. Wilson Atta ena ye FA Cup committee chairman or see afi FA Cup final no ebe special ebe unforgettable enti Okogyeabour se kwasiada obia emehwe sa game ni bi na otwane Samson no de atudwa sa afino ni obeji FA Cup no obeji 80,000 cedis upfront and offense ni obeji FA Cup no obe qualify for Confederation Cup into conswa on best sponsor with 100,000 cedis into kaboma afi ni obeji FA Cup no obenya 180,000 Ghana cedis yere on komo edi atuenim Danlad Ibrahim goalkeeper our former goalkeeper Edema Kumasi Asante Kotoko na wakasa din sempina edi atudwa osi 2016 emro journey team my friend Kumasi Asante Kotoko no obeka say a dream come true and ebemo esanse from division 2 team your friend Hamburg FC sunyane and journey Asante Kotoko into obeka say a dream come true no say emra 2022 ofi chane bae Olusu ne number 1 spot edema different goalkeeper Kotoko no obeka se wandwene won da se betuma basa na mom football no bibia to me si ekadwuma no bi enti ogitum akumapam na osi ne enye easy emfama no se ofitima ye friend Kumasi Asante Kotoko kwesanse tima wada sa fiti unkola brem na ofiwa kon ya na mom no ohune se o try new challenge na right time ni obetumi ede fitima ye friend Kumasi Asante Kotoko akopetin foforo esi akan ede amam we ene nsema Danlad Ibrahim ede atudwa na onim se Democracy Cup no basu July 5th 2024 Accra Sports Stadium na bobo kwa fena hasufuk nyame adoma weekend we ebewie na yewrem next week on be training ase prepare ede akwakobosa Democracy Cup na yede wonkomo ede atuanim yemfifie ne yemfo nchemu amanonito dia Euro 2024 no eguswa ekoso maya yefene Germany na ndra games ni bi etodwa wo group B no oma yefene Spain Italy makabako omentmente ena group C no Slovenia ene Serbia kotie obi ahye ne yonko ekabako bako ena Denmark nso hye bako ma yefene England enso ehye bako wonsam no nyame adoma en result no ana games ebeba so no say enete wo group D no ana yensha semfi group E 1 p.m. Slovakia ene Ukraine ebebo wo group D no 4 p.m. na Poland ene Austria bebo na oma yefene Netherlands ene France nso 7 p.m. Copa America 2024 guso ekos wo USA endra en opening game no to dwama yefene Argentina Canada bomeka mienu a omo entumi ante abrante yefene Alvarez ene Martinez ene she 2 goals no edema Argentina nyame adoma enne 10 p.m. wo group B no oma yefene Ecuador omo ne Venezuela ede bebwani na 12 a.m. ochna oma yefene Peru ene Chile ede abwani group A wa yede won komo ede atuanim Okay, Abrantia, your friend Radamel Falcao Garcia Zarate, former Monaco and Manchester United striker, 38 years, Menoka say, we room our new chrome, fro Colombia, Wakwa sign 6-month contract, Eddie Amabobo Kwa, your friend Millionaires FC, in the Okwakosia Eddie Amom, a 6-month contract until 8 December 2024 ne more one SNA obetumi extending the contract no na watna Eddie Ama Millionaires FC na we sina kan dia mom eno Radamel Falcao Garcia Zarate ne wonsam eno no Makukurela esina kan Eddie Matima ye friend Chelsea osi oye happy with Chelsea new manager ye friend Enzo Maresca na coach no adwumaso Leicester City oye good coach enti waba Chelsea ojide so betuma bebo adwuma osi next season no ohwe nim se Chelsea nya good season na nyama akoyi ede amomo ebusuan nyina we so na goodie mun sama ye boabo no na wi ede beda no yemfansi mi amede nsam ne bai no di ameje so no yesu ano de hye Apakanji the blessed king over to you Okogyeabour
mera say apakanti Ebusia ye begyina we so ho na wiye nsema hodo ebobo ano de besom ho se kasebo no ye de si na Lambon nepe Lydia ano se otie kasebo no hwe live e wo North Kanishi ano se DLFM always mu news no ye enjoyable pa ana me am offer na osunsu de ba no se wo fa don worry kura Enfi Kwadwo Sammy na he me de wodru wie krom ha de Kwadwo so ho kutia na ebo sa no and
monkey kanko
eti ube huaso wachira se me ma ba nie maka ye se tnagara na wi abebia
me hwe chira ma
mu wi abebia na odo yi different and was say I am watching you live Prissy Indomie joint Ashama Lebanon hey boys and Danny Carbeck and was see ye kasebo no more there that's Doris Opokua and was see we ya we sem papa no na yire kun mama na yire kun wo konongo no awe ho pa na yemfa kasebo no ensi champion ko fitela de ko Facebook no so asidan koma wo Ghana ni sa wo je bre ni adaje ehwe yan tie yan so ye ya asomfo Medin at the Grand Stakati meeting Okogyeabour Ocran Nhyiraba
Nhyiraba Kwadwo